Dramatic.
What?
Dramatic.
Had one of your hairs in my beard.
Yeah. Happy Saturday! Okay, what are we gonna do today? What's our plan for the day?
We have a tree out front that we need to cut down. Sorry everyone, but it's not a very pleasant looking tree.
Yeah.
And then it's kind of one of the warmest days we've had this year so far. It's probably just gonna hang out in the backyard.
We're gonna go for a bike ride today?
Maybe.
We're gonna cut down the tree, maybe go for a bike ride, work out.
Yeah, cut some branches down in the backyard again.
Okay, walk the dogs.
Yeah.
And we had our beautiful pancakes this morning.
Protein pancakes for me.
And oatmeal pancakes for me. Okay, let's go for a walk.
Yeah, I wanna wake up to some of that cooking. Know my way around without looking home. In my own hometown, I'm always gonna be home. The town, yeah. I'm always gonna be.
We're going to get coffee. Coffee time, coffee time. It is coffee time.
Can I pay that and then the rest of it?
Yeah.
So I get good points, right, from that bag?
Yeah.
I have 24 stars, is that good?
I think you need 150.
How much is the rest?
The rest is $16.78.
Okay.
There we go.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Well, cheers! Look at Lily. Okay, we're gonna do our coffee and go for a drive. Hi everyone. Okay, so we're still in the car because Jordan wanted to stop at Shoppers to get some stuff, and now we're at our local butcher meat market, and he's inside getting food for lunch. I think he's just gonna get some chicken and we'll do chicken and salad. But I wanted to hop on and talk about some things that I have been doing while in quarantine, as I'm sure we're all bored, and maybe we've created some healthy habits, but I just wanted to name off a few that I'm doing right now that have been helping me to stay sane-ish. I've posted on my wellness account, Wellness by D, that I have a roller coaster of emotions. Honestly, one day I'm really good and I'm so motivated and pumped to do like home workouts and just have this time, and then the next day I'm really sad and I just feel like the heaviness of everything. And I honestly, yeah. Okay, so here are the tips. Tip number 1, a healthy morning routine. For me, it is waking up every morning. I squeeze half a lemon into water. I don't like hot lemon water. I like it cold. So I do that. I have a pretty similar breakfast, either oatmeal or a smoothie, and then coffee, of course. And then Jordan and I will walk the dogs. So my biggest thing, and always has been for my morning routine, is to wake up, hydrate, and move your body. Doesn't mean you have to do a huge workout, but just going for a walk around the block is really nice. So that would be my first tip. Set a healthy morning routine. Second tip, get outside. Getting outside, get vitamin D, get fresh air. We're all cooped up inside all the time. Tip number 3, workout. Does that moving your body?
Exercise, yeah, I guess.
Exercise. Even if it's like 20 minutes or stretching.
Try a new thing once a week.
Number 4,
New,
try
like, hobby?
a new thing.
Make a puzzle.
What's something new we've been trying? Board games.
Yeah.
We've been trying board games. We've also been bike riding around our neighborhood. Oh my god, he has a mask under his helmet.
Who's German Shepherd? So they're...
Where? Oh yeah.
That's the one that's at the front.
So healthy morning routine, get outside every day, move your body, sweat a little.
Do you need a couch?
No. 4, call friends. This is obvious ones. Try a new hobby. Practice gratitude. Jordan's still relaxing right now, so I might quickly do my bathroom because under the sink is pretty crazy. Also, one of my favorite podcasts currently is, well, not currently, it kind of always has been, but one that I've been loving right now is Sarah's Day and her fiance Kurt. It's called the Health Code podcast. And the one I'm listening to is April 12th about, there we go. The one about them being in self-isolation and stuff. So I'm gonna finish this off and then clean up under here. I just wanna throw out some old products and stuff. I did this at the end of February, but I think I wasn't savage enough. I need to like actually go through it and get rid of more stuff. So we're gonna do that because I honestly just wanna keep things really basic and clean and try to get as much off the counter as I can. So I'm gonna play this and start going.
If you watch the YouTube video, you see she has to smile like this, and then it's all good.
I think you're actually doing it.
And I go,
Come here.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite banana bread recipes. It's actually on, I just said recipes, so weird. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite banana bread recipes. What the heck is wrong with me? And I've actually shared this on my Instagram, which is Wellness by D. I'll link it down below or maybe post it right here. But this is, I posted the recipe. There we go. If you want to like screenshot that or something. But I posted this recipe on my stories and it's one of like my most favorite recipes ever. A bunch of my friends and family have tried it and they absolutely love it. It's called Dee's Healthy Banana Bread. I mean, it doesn't have like processed sugar, no dairy, just because I personally can't have dairy. And then it uses more like, uses spelt flour and almond flour. So it's a healthier version of banana bread. It's not like a superfood, but definitely something for us to be doing right now. Obviously, a lot of people are inside and have time. And I don't know about you, but I've been loving baking lately and trying out new recipes. I'm actually gonna be posting on my wellness account like a chocolate chip oatmeal cookie. So that will be going up Sunday. But yeah, today I just wanted to film a video of me actually making it. I don't know if this is too much overkill with this banana bread, but it truly is so good for how clean the ingredients are. I've seen ones that are just like 3 ingredients, but I worry that they're not sweet enough. And if I'm gonna have a nice banana bread, I want it to still feel sweet and yummy. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy and let's get into it.